Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the stock market watch this video. Let's go over a bunch of stocks that I am looking to trade. For those of you who don't know, I made a video not too long ago telling you guys back in 4/23/2024, literally 8 days ago, I said keep an eye on Tilray's stock market crash and pump buy now watch list. I know a lot of people don't watch these videos. I don't know why. It's all I'm going to tell you is, hey, watch for bottoms. If you guys like buying bottoms, definitely feel free to join the premium Discord. The best time to join is at the beginning of each month. That way you get the most value. And there has been a revamp. It's a lot more cleaner now. Shades portfolio, trade tracker, trading course, YouTube videos. But that one is free. You can just watch videos if you want. Day trade ideas, long-term swings, and of course the alerts room. So if you want to join, best time to join is today. Now let's talk about Riot. Riot is under $10. Bitcoin is dumping. This is nothing new for us here on this channel. If we switch to the monthly chart, I said monthly chart. There we go. Okay, there's the monthly chart. You'll notice this stock has come down as low as $3 back in this huge bear market that every stock went into. But since then we've been ping-ponging, whatever you want to call it. We've been going sideways. Let me draw the demand and the support for you guys. So here is resistance, and here is support. We love, on this channel, we love stocks that bottom out. We love stocks that go sideways. And you know what we love even more? Stocks that go higher over the long term. But we'll take sideways action as well. So you'll notice on the monthly, we've just been going sideways here. So when is the best time to buy? The best time to buy is down here when it gets nice and cheap under $10. And I already told everyone, like, hey, keep an eye on this one under $10 because this thing, it's a buy under 10. I'm going to wait for $9 and see if it comes down a little lower. But hey, maybe I'm being greedy. Maybe it's not even going to come down that low, and that's okay. That's just the name of the game. Sometimes you have a game plan and things don't work out, and I'm not going to chase if it goes to 12, obviously. But the best time to buy is when it's cheap, under $10 is a buy. Be willing to hold for a while, and that goes the same. That's the same with Mara. Like, let it come down nice and cheap and buy in under $15, in my opinion. Another stock to keep an eye on is Eyeless. This is a penny stock. Some of you might not like penny stocks, but Eyeless here. Oh, this is AITX. AITX. Yeah, keep an eye on AITX. This one might break out and go to a penny, but we have to see buyers step in here in the red zone. We need to see buyers break out here. If we can break this, we're going to create a new high and establish a new floor. But until that happens, I'm not too excited here. Now, Eyeless, that's the one I was going to talk about. Eyeless, I added some yesterday around here in the nines, added some at 1-2, and I will look to add some more down here at 0076. That's like the next level I'm looking to buy in at. This one is the one you want to accumulate for the next big move. This one loves to have big moves, as you can see here. Went to almost 3 cents. It loves to have big moves. It just takes a while for it to play out, and you have to be willing to accumulate down here where it's nice and cheap. I mean, you don't want to accumulate at 3 cents, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cents. That's you're just holding a fat bag. We've learned from our mistakes. We don't do that anymore. But back when I was more of an amateur, I didn't know what I was doing. Tilray did explode yesterday. Of course, it was going to pull back. That's what it always does. Has a big explosion and then comes right back down and slowly bleeds back to its area of support, where that is very clear right here that this is another stock going sideways. And you guys know me, I love when they're going sideways. So ideally, you want to buy under $1.80 and start accumulating down there for the next run. And it's a very simple play. That's just how it is with trading ranges. Keep it simple, keep it short and sweet. There's no reason to go crazy, and there's no reason to buy anywhere up here or anywhere in the dead zone, the no buy zone. Best time to buy is down here, where it's nice and cheap and where buyers love to step in and buy up a stock. Soundhound, let me see. Let's look at the daily here. What's going on with Soundhound? Soundhound looks like it wants to break down out of this trend that it's in. We have support down here under 3070, so I'm just looking to buy the dip on this one. I'm not looking to chase the breakout. So I'll wait for the dip on that one. And I think that's it. I don't think there are any other stocks that I have my eyes on. I think SoFi there was an overreaction on earnings in my opinion. So SoFi took a massive dump, but I believe it's going to be a buy under $7. We already bought in, so now it's just a matter of buying and holding. Again, I'm a swing trader, so most of these you just have to buy, accumulate down here when it's cheap, and then when it runs, you sell to the people that chase and rinse and repeat. That's all there is to it. I'm looking at my watch list here. You can see me scrolling through my watch list. Yeah, oh, miners are definitely taking a beating today, which is good. You want it to take a beating because you want to buy nice and cheap. Ray, of course, BKD Samuel. Ouch. All right, guys. That's it for the video. I don't think there's anything else on my watch list that's worth talking about. Some stocks that are going to bottom out in the future, some that are going to create higher highs, maybe. But the best play out of all of these, probably SoFi right now, because of the overreaction. It beat on earnings, it still dumped because of the lowered guidance, but overall the company's still growing. So it's a no-brainer in my opinion, not just fundamentally, but also on the charts. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you.